everybody, this is Jason with Suburban Adventures, and we just came back from another kayaking adventure. Just a quick couple-hour kayak spin, and I wasn't gonna do a follow-up. A couple videos ago we talked about these inflatable kayaks that we got recently, but a lot of people were asking me about them. I got some questions about them in the comments, and also people in real life that watched the video that I know asked me about them. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about them some more. I'm not going to go into a ton of detail, but just answer some of those questions and show you a little bit more about these inflatable canoes / kayaks. Actually, we got three, but we got two different kinds. This is the Explorer K2, made by Intex, and this is the Dakota K2 by Intex, and then we got another one of the Explorer K2. So somebody was wondering what the difference between the two of them are. There really is no difference whatsoever. It's the same exact setup. The color's different. There's the Explorer, there's the Dakota, obviously. But besides the color, there's really no difference. Now, I sort of like the color of the Dakota as opposed to the Explorer. And the reason we ended up getting two different ones as opposed to just getting all three of the same, I ordered them on Amazon, and Amazon would not let you order more than two. So I got those two Explorers, and then I ordered this one. There is a little bit of a price difference. The Dakota is a little bit more expensive. The Dakota comes with two different skegs. So the Explorer comes with this one, just this one. This Dakota comes with that one, and it comes with this smaller one for if you're going river kayaking. The other thing this one came with was it came with two dry bags. That's really it. It came with a hand pump, and I think the hand pump on the Dakota seems to be a little bit better quality, but nothing too noticeable. That's really the only difference. So that's, as far as that goes, how different are they? Another question was the weight limit. You can see right there, the weight limit for these is 400 pounds. So, you know, it's like an adult and a child. You know, it's pretty decent. It holds up pretty well. I've read reviews where people say they were over the weight limit and it seemed to be fine. So. Another question I was asked was, how does it pack up? So I'm going to show you how quick it goes packing it up and storing it. Really works pretty simple, collapsing it and storing it. Okay, so real time, that took about 5 minutes. The bag is nice because it's not like a tent bag where you have to fold it into origami to get it in there. The bag weighs, with everything in it, probably I'd say 15-20 pounds maybe, but it's great, really handy. So there they are, all 3 of them wrapped up in the bags, ready to be stored down in the basement. Like I said, it takes about 5 to 6 minutes, and everything fits right in there. The pump, the paddles, they break down, and it stores nicely. So hope you enjoyed this. If you're not already a Suburban Adventure subscriber, click subscribe, and we'll see you next time.